on, guys, and welcome back to the channel for another video. I wanted to share a really cool experience I had this past weekend. I actually went and checked out an indoor airsoft arena. Then the next day I went out with some buddies to an outdoor area, our private land, and we played some games out there as well. Such a fun time. I recently found out about this indoor airsoft field. It's called Motor City Airsoft, and it's only about half an hour from my house. I've had airsoft guns for a long time. We recently started a league among our friends, so we were all buying gear. I was running my MP9, which looks like this. Got a barrel cover, and then I had to go ahead and gear up. Get all my gear on, went and chronographed my guns, which basically measures how fast they're shooting. And then once you do that, they'll sign off on your wristband that you're okay to go. And then it was game time. First game we played was team deathmatch. I had no idea where I was going. The field's actually pretty big. It's like 3,000 square feet or a little bit bigger than that. And everyone there had played there multiple times. So I was like total noob mode. But after the first game, the ref came and gave me a private walkthrough, explained where everything was, all the spawn points, kind of some of the game modes. And it was really nice because like I said, didn't know anyone, and to get a full walkthrough was perfect. Anyhow, I got my walkthrough. We kept on playing. I started playing at about 5:30 and ended up leaving around 8. I was sweating my butt off, so it was time to go home and shower and get ready for the next day's games. Everyone I talked to was super nice. Everyone was helpful if I had any questions, and the facilities were actually really well maintained. Very organized, everything was lined up very well. The refs all have mics and all that stuff. And so for going for my very first time, I had an awesome experience. I don't want to talk too much. I just wanted to give a little background as to what I was doing and where I was at. I'm gonna leave you guys with our outdoor gameplay, 3-on-2, super fun, and I got some pretty solid kills out there. So with that being said, hit that like button and subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time.
All right, boys, the game mode is to defend container. Troy Wombat over here is gonna be my partner. Got 3 enemy tangos coming from that way. So rocking the MP9. Troy's got some crazy red gun.
Good gravy.
Oh, ah! Woo! Dodge, 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 dodge. Wait, Troy, was I shooting at you?
Yeah, I remember Joe, and then I just had Joe and Gino.
That's the way she goes.
Oh, right here. Troy, he's hit. I mean, yeah, he's shooting at me, but I am tree. Straight ahead of you. You're hitting bushes over here, buddy. Oh, from Troy? Nice. Battle wound.
Dude, it's hard pushing.
Oh yeah.
Defending's easier, but that was fun.
Yeah, how many times you guys die?
Probably 4.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I was up there.
We can take a breather if we want.
Yeah.
Make some moves, boys. Oh, backside, back off. Hit.
Begin in 5, 4, 2, 1, go!